Are you constantly fighting unexplained fatigue, struggling with stubborn belly fat, and seeing alarming blood sugar test results? Your body is under attack. The main problem is a clogged, fatty liver, which is the control center for your entire metabolism. The liver is exhausted. This hidden liver damage is the true, silent cause of type 2 diabetes, high cholesterol, and chronic low energy. It is a serious crisis. Imagine two simple, affordable pills that work together to completely clean and regenerate your liver cells. This cleaning is vital. This powerful duo helps melt fat, lowers blood sugar, and reverses the damage caused by years of poor diet. The benefits are massive. The first pill is the master metabolic switch that forces your body to burn fat instead of store it. It works like a natural drug. The second pill is an ancient herbal powerhouse that actively protects and rebuilds the damaged cells of your liver. This is true healing. Studies confirm this stack is a potent, non-toxic way to reduce liver fat and improve sugar control significantly. It is highly effective. We'll expose the crucial, highly absorbed form of the first pill and the specific extract you must use. For maximum liver protection, get the right type. If you ignore liver damage, you risk severe fatigue, hormonal chaos, and accelerating cardiovascular disease. The danger is real. We'll reveal the exact dosage ratio and the best time to take this stack. For full liver detoxification and fat loss, use the correct method. Don't skip the final warning about the severe side effect that requires immediate adjustment. If you are on diabetic medication, be safe first. Stay tuned to Natural Health Secrets to master the ultimate secret to liver cleansing and metabolic repair. Your health depends on it. The two pills in this ultimate detox and metabolic stack are Berberine and milk thistle. Specifically, the Silymarin extract, the first pill, Berberine, is the potent alkaloid that acts as the primary metabolic manager. Berberine activates the AMPK master switch. Activating AMPK forces your liver to stop producing excess sugar and fat, and signals your body to increase insulin sensitivity. This is critical because a fatty liver is often resistant to insulin, making it the starting point for type 2 diabetes. Berberine directly targets this resistance. The second pill, milk thistle, and its active compound, Silymarin, is the ancient herbal powerhouse that protects the liver itself. Silymarin works by repairing damaged liver cells and protecting existing cells from further toxic assault, including the damage from fat and alcohol. It also supports the production of glutathione, the body's most powerful master detoxifier, helping the liver cleanse itself efficiently. The synergy of this stack is revolutionary. Berberine reduces the metabolic burden on the liver, while milk thistle provides the structural repair and protection. But there is a hidden synergy. Milk thistle Silymarin also drastically improves the absorption of berberine in the gut. This dual action means you get more effective fat burning from the berberine and better repair from the Silymarin, making the stack much more powerful than taking either alone. For people struggling with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease (NAFLD), this stack is a foundational, non-drug treatment to help reverse fat accumulation. The clinical evidence shows that this combination can significantly reduce liver enzymes, ALT and AST, which are key markers of liver stress and inflammation. Let's talk about the fat-melting benefits. A fatty, clogged liver is terrible at processing fats and hormones, leading to stubborn weight gain. By detoxifying and unclogging the liver with milk thistle and forcing fat burning with berberine, the stack accelerates weight loss, especially of dangerous visceral fat. When the liver works properly, it regulates cholesterol better and manages hormones more efficiently, helping to reverse overall metabolic chaos. The correct form of milk thistle is crucial. You must buy a supplement standardized to contain 80% Silymarin for therapeutic liver protection. The dosage for berberine should be 500 milligrams taken 2 to 3 times per day before meals. The dosage for milk thistle Silymarin is typically 100 to 400 milligrams of the standardized extract per day. For optimal timing, take the milk thistle in the morning and evening, and the berberine 10 minutes before your meals to maximize blood sugar control. Remember to hit that like button if you are ready to clean your liver, and subscribe to Natural Health Secrets. This stack also provides profound benefits for your skin. The liver filters toxins that often manifest as chronic skin conditions like acne, psoriasis, and eczema. By cleaning the liver, you reduce the toxic load, allowing skin conditions to clear up naturally and giving you a brighter, healthier complexion. The antioxidant power of Silymarin also helps fight oxidative stress throughout the body, providing a powerful anti-aging shield for every cell. The final warning we promised concerns the danger of taking berberine with diabetic medication. Because berberine is a potent blood sugar reducer, combining it with insulin, metformin, or other diabetic drugs can lead to dangerously low blood sugar hypoglycemia. If you are on any diabetic medication, you must consult your physician immediately before starting berberine to monitor your glucose and adjust your drug dosages. This supplement is serious medicine. Also, people with ragweed allergies should be cautious with milk thistle. As it is in the same plant family, we've covered the liver repair, the metabolic switch, the superior absorption, and the vital safety warnings. This stack is your ultimate, affordable tool for reversing fatty liver damage, conquering metabolic disease, and restoring youthful energy. We have now armed you with the precise knowledge to safely leverage this powerful detox and metabolic stack. Now, tell us in the comments below, which part of this stack surprised you the most? That milk thistle boosts berberine, or that the liver is the root of fatigue? We want to hear your thoughts. If this video revealed the key to solving someone's chronic fatigue or unexplained weight gain, please share it immediately with them. You could be giving them a new life. And finally, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell right now. You don't want to miss our next video, where we expose the top 3 surprising foods that are secretly causing your hair loss and aging. Thank you for trusting Natural Health Secrets. Clean your liver and repair your health today. We will see you next time with more breakthrough natural remedies.